So today I'm going to give you a quick tip in CapCut Desktop, how to add a blur background to any video. First, you have to open your software and you import the video or picture that you are going to use. So for example, I have this video. I have this video and the ratio for this video is 1:1, which is square. But let's say I want to turn the video into portrait, which is 19:16. But the original video we have is 1:1. And when we go over here and set our ratio to 9:16, you can see these black backgrounds. So in order to eliminate these black backgrounds, what you have to do is select your video and let me change my interface to default. Okay, so make sure you're using the default interface. So you select your video. The interface doesn't really matter, but default interface is the default one, so that'll be okay. So you make sure you select your video. When you select your video, these options will pop up on your right-hand side. You scroll to the last one where you see canvas. You click on show. You scroll down again. Then you click on the options. You see blur color pattern background. So here you can put anything there, but to add a blur background, you go on to blur. Then you can select the kind of blur you want. So there are 4 options that you can select, and that's it. If you can also choose to apply to all your videos, and then every video is going to have a blur background. That's it. For more tips and editing tutorials, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment what you want to learn next. And I'll get back to you. For mobile tutorials on how to do the same thing, check out the video below.